Our slogan is, why buy anywhere else? Number one, we've got just a few 17s left. We're doing everything we can to put a deal together for you. No matter how crazy it is, we've got 2 years maintenance. We got tires for life. We're going to pay your sales tax. Why buy anywhere else? Why buy Central Ford? I got family to feed, so I need everything I can get. So I'm going to put a deal together just the any way possible. So come on down.
And here we go. We have the Ford Explorer that's still here. 2017. Why is it here? I don't know. It has a super deal. It has a 2-year maintenance. Tires for life. Why is it here? I don't know. But you tell me, because it's a wonderful Explorer, and I will pull a super deal out of my pocket just for you.
Hey everybody, we got a 2017 Mustang ready to find a new home. Come on down to Central Ford. We'll pay your sales tax, tires for life, and give you 2 years free maintenance.
Come here, quick. Look at this, Larry. Isn't this a beautiful car?
Wow!
My goodness, it's got a sunroof and leather and navigation in there. My goodness. And you know what? You would look mighty good in that car.
Oh man, yeah, I do.
Just think of all the sisters you could be getting when you cruise down the road in this thing.
Hey, baby.
Yeah! And look, all the money you could be saving, $7,200 off of it, man.
Yeah, I need all the money I can get. Take those girls
And
out.
we're going to save you after the fact with 2 years of maintenance, your tires for life. We're going to pay your sales tax. My goodness.
What are you talking about, Will?
Yeah, man. That's it. Sales tax paid along with it.
Sales tax?
Yes, sir.
You gonna pay my sales tax?
You know what? You can get that ring you want to get for your fiance, unless you find somebody else.
You remind me of the same.
Yes, we try to do our best here at Central Ford. Why buy anywhere else?
That's exactly right. Why buy anywhere else? I'm going to come in, I'm going to pay your sales tax. I'm going to give you tires for life and 2 years maintenance. Why buy anywhere else? These are just 4 17s I've got left that's got to go. But if you look around, I got plenty of other inventory. Escapes, pickups, 250s, 350s, transit vans. I've got everything. And I'm going to pay you sales tax on those. I'm also going to give you 2 years maintenance and tires for life. So there again, why buy anywhere else but Central Ford of Ahoskie?